Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will be showing you how to paint these clouds. This is really simple and beginner friendly and you will only need two colors to paint this. For the materials I will be using acrylic colors, phthalo blue and titanium white. You can use any dark blue color, a piece of cloth, masking tape, synthetic brushes. For the background I will use flat brush and for the clouds I will use a round brush. Size of the brush will depend on the size of your paper or canvas. Mixing palette and palette knife for color mixing. For the paper today I will be using this acrylic book from Ayush paper. It's a 7x7 inches 260 GSM acrylic sketchbook and it also has this amazing canvas-like texture. Let's start with the tutorial. First tape down all the sides of your paper. Now mix two different tones of blue, darker blue and lighter blue by adding white to it. Coat your flat brush nicely with darker blue and start applying diagonally from top left to bottom right. If your color is not spreading easily, then add some water to it. It's okay if your color is streaky right now. We will be adding a second layer to this. Once you reach halfway, clean your brush with water and continue with the lighter blue. Let this dry completely. You can also use a hairdryer for this process. Now we have to repeat the previous step to get an even background. You can also change the tones of your blue at this point like I did. I made my lighter blue even lighter to increase some contrast. Once you are happy with the background, again let it dry completely before you move on to the clouds. For the clouds, mix a tiny amount of phthalo blue, titanium white and make a shadow color and start adding your clouds with a round brush. For this step you can either follow along me or you can use any reference photo to get an idea of the shapes of the clouds. Paint these clouds with a slightly dry brush and don't add water too often. This will make your clouds look soft and fluffy. Now let's add some highlights to the clouds. Mix more titanium white to your previous color and decide the direction of the sunlight. I decided top right diagonally. So now I will add this color to wherever the sunlight hits the clouds. To make your clouds look fluffier, you will have to repeat this step 2 more times and add more white to your previous color each time. For the last highlight, you can use pure white as well. I decided to add few more clouds on the bottom as it was looking empty. And our painting is complete. I really like how this painting turned out and I hope you enjoyed it as well. There will be a tutorial like this every Friday. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. All the links to my social media will be in the description box. I hope you have a lovely weekend and I will see you next time. Bye.